we will discuss the question answers. Okay, as we were discussing yesterday also. I'm going to share the screen. एक second. ओके, स्क्रीन विजिबल है सबको? एंजल, प्रतिभा, स्क्रीन विजिबल है? ओके, as we discuss the questions, you have to write down fourth कर लिया था. Then the fifth question, what are the major group of microorganisms? I think Agam had given the answer of this question. That is the bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, and the virus. Right? So you have to write down only this thing. Okay, ji? Sixth question, name the organism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Who will explain this answer? Who will explain this question? Sorry. Yes. Who will explain, beta?
Rhizobium bacteria.
Yes, Angel.
The microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil is by the Rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the roots of legume plant. This is called biological fixation.
आप उसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे कि the Rhizobium bacteria that live in the root nodules of the leguminous plants like peas and the green जो है beans, and then they absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into the simpler substances that is used by the plants. ठीक है, इसको पूरा explain करोगे. You will no doubt in question only the name they had asked, but you will explain a little bit. ठीक है जी. Then the seventh question, write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganism in our lives. Yes, Pratibha, can you give the answer of this question? Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganism in our lives.
Bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in making cheese. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol, wine, beer, and acetic acids. It is used in making antibiotics. It is used in production of vaccines. It increases soil fertility. It is used in cleaning environment. Bacteria are also used in jute and leather industries. Some are used to prepare biogas. Some bacteria decompose sewage and other waste of water. Some bacteria live in digestive systems of ruminants, which helps in digesting cellulose present in the plants.
Number of the points Pratibha told, है ना? Number of points है, you have to write down the 10 lines. Then the 10 uses of the microorganism, but no need to write down or no need to explain all these things. आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 lines means 10 sentences. You have to write down the 10 uses of the microorganism where they are, मतलब where we are using it. Only write down the uses. ठीक है? Then हो गया सबको ये question clear? Write 10 lines. Any doubt to anyone? ठीक है? We have to write down the commercial use. We have to write down making bread, food items like bread. Lactobacillus bacteria convert the curd, milk into curd. ठीक है? For sewage treatment, for increasing soil fertility, for cleaning the environment, for medicinal use, antibiotic, jute industry, as well as the leather industry, and in the digestive system of the ruminants to digest the cellulose. So number of the uses are there. So you have to write down the 10 uses where the microorganisms are beneficial for you. ठीक है जी? Then write a short paragraph on the harmful effect of microorganism. Yes, who will explain this question? Vedanti, can you explain? Write a short paragraph on the harmful effect of microorganism.
Microorganisms also act as a foe in human beings and as well as animals. They cause communicable diseases through air, water, food, animals, and insects. So, like housefly and mosquito, they are the dangerous vectors which transfer the diseases from the in between the humans and in animals
Vedanti,
it was discovered that bacteria
wait a while. We had discussed the two main points. That is the number one, that it is harmful because it causes the diseases. आप उसको explain कर दोगे थोड़ा सा. And second, we had discussed the microorganism causes the food poisoning. तो food poisoning को आप explain कर दोगे. Two main points you have to explain. उसके अंदर आप सारी चीजें explain करोगे. But we have to write down the main 2 points. Number one, that is microorganism causes diseases, and second is the microorganism causes the food poisoning. Is it clear, bete? Clear to everyone? Manya, any other thing you want to add in it? Or is it okay? Okay, chalo. The next question, what are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? Yes, who will explain this thing? What are Kashish? Kashish, what are antibiotics?
The medicine produced by the living organisms like bacteria, fungi, which kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms present in our body is called antibiotics. For example, streptomycin, erythromycin.
ठीक है, 3 मेडिसिन है. मैंने कल भी आप लोगों को शायद बताई थी. ये देखो यहाँ पे इट्स गिवन एंटीबायोटिक्स के टॉपिक में. हाँ जी प्रबलीन, हाँ जी प्रबलीन, हाँ जी प्रबलीन, बोलो क्या बोलना बेटा.
मैम प्रिकॉशंस.
एक सेकेंड. एंटीबायोटिक्स वाला टॉपिक कहाँ पे है? ये देखो, ये रहा है ना. तो यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पे ये देखो 3 लिखे हुए हैं. स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, ठीक है, ये वाला स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, ये देखो टेट्रासाइक्लिन, देन द एरिथ्रोमाइसिन. तो 3 मेडिसिन्स नेम्स आर गिवन इन योर बुक. तो ये एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ठीक है जी. स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, ठीक है, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, ठीक है. ओके, ये आप लोगों ने ध्यान रखना है कि whatever is given in your book you have to learn all these things. So we discussed these are the antibiotics. Yes Kanav, unmute yourself and tell me the precautions that we have to take while taking antibiotics.
Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of qualified doctor. One must finish the course prescribed by the doctor. Antibiotics must be avoided when not needed or in wrong doses.
ठीक है. So you have to write down the definition, and we already discussed the precautions that we have to take while taking antibiotics. अच्छा, इसके साथ मुझे वैसे ही दोबारा बताओ, why antibiotics are not useful for the viral disease? Who will tell? Why antibiotics are not useful? Yes, Jayant. Unmute yourself, Jayant.
Antibiotics are not useful for viral diseases because antibiotics remove the cell wall of the bacteria, whereas there is no cell wall in the virus.
That it kills the virus cell wall, and in case of the virus, they are not having the cell wall, so they are not effective on the viral disease. अच्छा, इसके अलावा ना जरा ये देखो, जस्ट चेक इट आउट। यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, जो एक्सटेंडेड लर्निंग है, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है, ठीक है। ऑब्जर्व इट्स रूट्स, ये लेग्यूमिनियस प्लांट्स वाला हो गया। collect the labels from the bottles of the jams and jellies. Yesterday I told one of the student to see in the jam and the jellies bottle पे अगर आप देखोगे तो there you can see the chemical, आपको वहाँ पे chemical नजर आएगा, name of the chemicals you can see, ठीक है। वहां पे आप चेक करो जैम्स एंड जेलीज या स्क्वैशेस या यू कैन से टोमेटो सॉस, यू विल ऑब्जर्व द इन इंग्रेडिएंट्स वन ऑफ द टू आर द केमिकल्स दे आर यूजिंग टू प्रिजर्व इट, ठीक है जी। देन विजिट अ डॉक्टर, फाइंड आउट व्हाई एंटीबायोटिक शुड नॉट बी ओवरयूज्ड, ये अभी आपने बताया। दिस वन एक्टिविटी सिंपल एक्टिविटी है कि हाउ वी कैन से दैट द यीस्ट, देखो हम कह रहे हैं कि यीस्ट इज यूज्ड टू making the dough fluffy because it releases the gas which makes the things fluffy, है ना, carbon dioxide. How we can prove that it releases the gas? So for this they had done the activity. They had taken the warm water, lukewarm water, and added sugar in it. Test tube में they had taken the lukewarm water, sugar in it, and 1 spoon of the yeast in it, and insert a balloon, ठीक है। Insert in balloon at the top, ठीक है। After that they observe, after some time the balloon will inflate. It indicates that when yeast is multiplying, it releases the gas which makes the balloon inflate. ये देखो, take 2 test tube, clamp these tubes in a water, leaving some space, ठीक है। Put 2 spoon of sugar in each, that is a fermentation कर रहे हैं। Add a spoonful of yeast, inflate the 2 balloon completely. Now tie the balloon on the mouth, ठीक है, and we will observe that in this test tube B it will inflate. Is that clear beta? So that means it releases the gas. हाँ, after that the one paragraph is also there. They had written the bacteria, that bacteria is present everywhere, मतलब no environment is there in which bacteria cannot survive. Bacteria you can see is longer, मतलब much longer as on earth, on much longer than human being. It can be found in the hot water bodies, cold water bodies, even in the bases, even in the acid medium, अंडरग्राउंड काफी एग्जिस्ट करता है, ठीक है, स्पेस में मिलता है। सो बैक्टीरिया इज लाइक दिस कि इट कैन फाउंड एवरीवेयर। ये देखो, देयर इज नो, probably no environment in which bacteria cannot survive. That means bacteria can survive most probably in all conditions. Okay, this is what all about the chapter. Any doubt in question? You have to write down these questions, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th in your notebook. Is that clear, beta? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? ठीक है। As I told you, the 2 diagrams are left. पहले वो डिस्कस करके then we will see the we will discuss a test. ठीक है। I told you the 2 diagrams are over there, Aspergillus and Penicillium. Draw that one. Take out your notebooks and draw those diagrams. बनाइए। Then we will discuss the test. पहले आप बना लीजिए पेनिसिलम, फंगाई भी बना रही हूँ। ठीक है, this इस तरह से इसके ऊपर बनाइए। These are the spores and this is the these are spores This is cup shape structures. Shape structure. जिसको हम बोलते हैं स्टेरिगिनेटा. ठीक है. Penicillin and one is the Aspergillus. Like this. ठीक है. आपको इस तरह से ड्रॉ करने की इसकी पूरी बॉडी की. ठीक है. Like this. Draw this one. Same is the labeling, spores and Stariginata. These are the spores. ठीक है. Same labeling. These two diagrams were there. We had not discussed. Now after this, the chapter is complete. Clear everything? Yes. First question: define antibiotic. ये अभी हमने वैसे क्वेश्चन ने डिस्कस किया. Define antibiotic. अगम बोलो बेटा.
The medicine that kill or stop the growth of the diseases causing microorganism is called antibiotic. For example, Tetracycline.
Tetracycline, streptomycin or erythromycin. Very good, Agam. Second, define immunity. Yes. Define immunity. Yes, Angel.
Immunity is the ability of human beings to fight against the disease-causing microorganism.
One's ability to fight or to resist the disease, that is called the immunity. Okay. Next question. Yes, Hargun. Write down the precautions to be taken while using antibiotics. Hargun.
We should not take the wrong dose of antibiotics. We should do the entire course of antibiotics. We should not take antibiotics in cold or cough. We should not. We should take antibiotics on the advice of qualified doctor.
Very nice. How microorganisms are useful in making food items? Yes, Anshika. Yes.
Microorganisms are very useful in making food items. Microorganisms help in converting milk into curd. The lactobacillus bacteria turns the lactose sugar present in milk into lactic acid. Microorganisms, yeast is also used in baking industry. When the yeast it grows rapidly, when the yeast respires, the carbon dioxide gas is released, which takes up space in the dough and increases the volume.
Then the next question, diagram. Draw the diagram of the bread mold. बनाया सबने, दिखाओ जरा अगर पिक उसमें on the video and show it to me if you had made it. I just want to see the diagram. Yes, Pratibha. हाँ मान्या ओके है, प्रतिभा ओके है बेटा, मान्या आपका भी ठीक है बच्चे, राइट. तो दिस वाज अ टेस्ट, ठीक है, सिंपल सा टेस्ट. हाँ जी अगम, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे.
मैम ब्रेड मोल्ड का दोबारा बता दो डायग्राम.
ब्रेड मोल्ड का ओके बना.
यस मैम.
These are the scores. अगर यहाँ से रॉक्टर हो जाएगा, then the scores are maximum. Scores is somehow. Scores, Haripur. This is for India. India score. ठीक है अगर ओके है बेटा. Sprangium is Sprangiopore, spores, stolon, hyphae. Agam Shri, is it okay beta?
Yes ma'am.
This is what all about it.